Hi everyone, welcome to Google Sheet tutorial channel, this your Google Sheet expert. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the VLookup function in Google Sheets to easily find and retrieve data from a table. Let's get started. In this example, we have a list of employees with their employee IDs, names, and salaries. Our goal is to find the salary of an employee based on their employee ID. Click on the cell where you want to display the result, and type the formula equals VLookup. The first argument is the search key, which is the employee ID. The second is the range of data. The third argument is the column number where the data is located, in this case, column 3 for salary. Finally, type false to ensure we get an exact match. Press enter, and Google Sheets will return the salary for the corresponding employee ID. Now, let us try to change the lookup value to different employee ID, for example Jane Doe. Then press enter, you will see now the salary of employee Jane Doe. That's how you use the VLookup function in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.